Hi, everybody. My name is Oded Zehavi. I'm the CEO and co-founder of Mesh Payments. Previously, I was the one who started and managed PayPal's business in Middle East and Africa. And I also run the business for another successful B2B payment company called Pioneer. Yes. Almost 2 years ago, a group of world-class experts, mostly from PayPal and Pioneer, have founded Mesh. Mesh is a simple mission to become the world's most used B2B payment service by helping businesses, mainly SMEs, but not only, anywhere, maybe except North Korea and some other unique places, to pay and get paid in an instant, transparent, and cost-effective way. I don't need to explain the market opportunity. It's $10 trillion opportunity that is fully dominated by banks in a process which is far from being transparent and broken, totally broken. In the B2C space, cards have become the de facto form factor for payments, but they didn't succeed as much on the B2B space. The fact that cards are reversible, the processing fees are not aligned with the business expectations, and it's also impacting the credit line. Some of the reasons why cards have not been used as much in the B2B space. But this is changing. Mesh is the first virtual B2B cards. And how it works. You are a business in India and you need to accept $5,000 from your US business clients. So you will go through our platform or through one of our partners that will connect for an API. You will initiate a payment request. In the payment request, you will put some information about your transaction and some non-financial information about the payer. We will approach the payer, in this case in the US, and we'll tell him, you don't need to do it as an international wire anymore. You can pay it locally as you pay all your other vendors. And we'll offer you either to debit your bank account locally or a virtual one-time bank account that you can push the money to. And then how we move the money in a secure and compliant way back to India through the card network. We will issue a one-time virtual, in our case, Visa card that will send back to the Indian business. And because we are connected to more than 150 PSPs around the world, we can orchestrate an automatic processing of that card on his terminal. But more important, we will balance the fact that we are controlling both the interchange and the processing fee allows us to balance the fees of the transaction, making it benefits for both sides of the transaction. We have built a very extensive platform in the last 2 years that beyond the risk and compliance aspect have a lot of APIs that enable us clear, fast integration to issuers and acquirers all around the world, and more than that, to orchestrate sophisticated and complex payment processes. Our unique approach, leveraging PSPs around the world, bringing the B2B aspect to them, enabling us to bring them new revenue, added value to their clients, with very little integration without almost changing any of their existing processes. And we are going to announce in the coming few weeks strategic partnerships with PSPs in India, in Asia, in Latin America, and in Africa, bringing the B2B payments into their corridors. Our unique approach enables us to service even the most toughest markets when it comes to compliance and risk, where our competitors have challenges to operate. We can even go to countries where the risk and compliance aspect will be tougher than ever. And even Visa acknowledged the uniqueness of our platform. A few weeks ago, we've done a global announcement of the partnership with Visa, quoting Mesh delivers a unique solution that simplifies cross-border payment experience. Visa is a huge supporter of us, and we are going hand in hand to them to try to service clients all around the world. So come and join us if you are a PSP or a neobank in one of the emerging markets or an issuer. Happy to talk to you more. Thank you.